Hey guys, and in this video I'm going to share with you guys how to make a basic blog. I'm going to share with you guys all the features, and to keep the videos short and easy for you guys to follow, I'm going to break this up into two parts, so please check out part 2 to get the rest of it. But basically, in the whole story, I'm going to be sharing with you guys how to set up the blog, how to add a background image, how to do banners, how to add posts, how to add pages, how to link the pages, and all of this is going to be based in Blogger, because Blogger happens to be a place where you can access this if you have a Gmail account. If you've got a YouTube, which most likely you have if you're watching this video, then you should be able to access, you should already have a blog. So just like you actually already have a YouTube channel, you also already have a blog. You just don't use it yet. If you are watching this video, most likely. But anyways, guys, stay tuned to the end and watch the second one. If you want to know the whole process behind it, I'll even show you guys how to add some gadgets as well, something I forgot to mention, that can help you improve the things you can do on your blog. So that's basically everything I'll be covering over these two YouTube videos. And if you guys don't want to have a domain that is based inside another company, then you can buy a domain from Blogger. You can buy a domain from GoDaddy or Bluehost. I'll have links to those below where you can go and get your own domains. I believe there is a 30% discount if you use GoDaddy. I personally use Bluehost, but either option can work for you. Go and look and see which one has the best prices that fits your pocket. Hey guys, Silvernex here. And in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys the way you can start your own blog, and it will probably look something similar to what you see right here after you posted your first post. So let's jump into it. So now I'm going to take you guys through the step-by-step, starting with a blank website, and showing you guys to do this in Blogger, but the principles are similar for other website builders like WordPress. But the only difference is everybody's got a Blogger account if you've got a Gmail account, and I thought I'd share with you guys the simplest one to start off with that has the least issues when you want to get started. So let's jump into it. Obviously, the first thing you want to do is create your Blogger account. And just to do that, you simply just search Blogger. And let me do that for you guys quickly so you guys can see it in action. And I probably have to do this in an incognito tab, or else it's going to actually jump into one of my other test websites that I've been building to show you guys this website, to show you guys how to do this. So you saw there was an option for me to create an account, and obviously it will ask you to sign in. Obviously by this point you've already made your own Gmail account and you've already signed in. And if you haven't, it's as simple as Googling create a Gmail account and then signing up, and then you can get that started. Once you've signed up with Blogger, they will ask you two questions, and I might confuse the order, but they will ask you what your website's name is, or they'll ask you what your pen name is first. If they ask you for your pen name or your name of who you'd be represented as every time you post a blog, then you just go and type in your pen name. Maybe you're calling yourself the great typist. Then you'll go ahead and actually sign up for that. Once you've done that, you will end up with a screen similar to this one. So see, I've already made another blog. So let me go and create a third blog for this demo website. I'm going to title it, and you can title it whatever you want, even if it's something that's been used before, at least for the title. And let's say, I like the whole gaming idea. So let's go with Minecraft. Their game okay, I'm gonna just call it Minecraft Hero. There we go. Now, so then you need to give it a blog name. You could probably go with something similar to the title that we just gave, or if you are going to be using a an external domain, there's going to be a few more steps you have to do after this. But for now, let's give it a custom name, and that custom name, we'll call it Minecraft Heroes. And once I click off here, it's going to check if it's available, but it seems somebody's taken that name. So let's go with Heroes of Minecraft. Remember, I'm just making this. That's also been taken. That's also been taken. The heroes. Okay, let's just take this here and put it this side and see what happens. There we go, the Minecraft Heroes. So you can pick any of these options, but to keep it simple, I'm gonna go with simple. You click create blog, and now it's creating your blog. There it says the blog was created successfully. Now you could go and post something, but let's have a look and see how your blog currently looks like. Currently, it looks like this. No post, no nothing. And if you compare that with this one, there's quite a number of differences, right? So I guess the first thing to do is make the layout look the way you want it to look. So Minecraft has got lots of greens, lots of browns. So let's go to layout. And let's go to, theme. Then we go customize. And from here, we can change the color scheme. So let's say we don't like this one. Let's just go with green. So we're going with green, and so we're going with this background. So we would go pick a background. You can even add your own and upload your own. And then you can just change the color again. Now we've got a Minecraft looking background. If you want to change your layout so that you can have stuff on both sides, then you can go and click here and change your layout, apply. And if you wanted to adjust the width, you can also do that. But basically, we've done a couple of things now, so let's go and have a look and see how it looks. So now we've basically added the cool background, and we've still got that as our banner. So probably the next thing you want to do after you've given it a background that you're happy with is change the banner. And I know the perfect place to do that. It's a place we all know as Canva. And in this place, you can create designs from scratch. And I'm going to use custom dimensions and use this dimensions over there. And then I'm going to click create. At this point, it's going to bring us to the screen over here. Now it's already giving us some options for pictures, and you could freely use any of these as long as the word free stands here, or else you'll have to pay. And we are gonna go with this picture just like we did for the other one. I don't know, I like the font in here, but you can use this font at any point, anywhere. So let's change the title here to the Minecraft Hero. And I will make this slightly longer. Then I will change the position to middle and center. Then you click publish. You can even publish it to Facebook pages and other things, but I just wanna download it as a PNG. Once it's done downloading, just click close there. You can then go back to the blog page, and you can go back to the layout. Then you'll see under header, you now have an option to choose a file. So we're going to choose a file. We're going to choose that very file that we just created, called, and didn't give it a name, unfortunately. That should be the one. You can upload that file, and then you can say, instead of title and description. If we don't do that, it will have the original text overlaid, and we don't want that. And now we can click Save Arrangement. Then we can reload this, and then boom. Now it looks very similar to that in terms of the layout, just that those pictures match up better. The next thing you probably want to do is save arrangement. For some reason you couldn't update that piece of text on this side. Anyway, that should probably fix itself shortly. So one of the things that I like to add is actually showing people some stats. So if you scroll down here, you'll see there's an option for blog stats, and you can give it a different name. So let's just go with views, and you can change how it looks. And then once you've decided that you're happy with a particular option, then you can save, and then save arrangement, and reload here. It appears on this side. So obviously there's been 0 views. I mean, the blog is completely new. But there's a gadget for your post, and you're almost ready to start posting things. So guys, hope you guys enjoyed the content in this video. Stay tuned for the next one. Click the like button, click the subscribe button. If you want to be notified for my future content, don't forget to ring that bell. And yeah, until the next one, guys, be blessed.